Hi, uh, welcome to lesson 4. Today we are going to learn four more alphabet, which is Jim, J, He, and He. We chose four because they are similar looking, even though they are very different in sound. So what we're going to do, we're going to write here, Jim is it's called Jim. It's J sound in girl. Ch, J is cha sound as in child. H, it hasn't got no dot. He in as a soft H sound. And then he, it's like in English we haven't got the sound exactly like that, but whenever you translate it as a KH. They have a three writing position: in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. To differentiate, you just have to put, if you are writing Jim, you put the dots at the bottom. If it's a Che, the dots at the bottom. If He, no dots at all. But if you're putting a He, you put the He at the top. So the word we can make with the J, we have got a J in the beginning and J at the end. Judge. So it's a English word is a judge also. If we are writing it in the middle, then we are going to say P, that is P, and then we write Ch, put olive and sin. So that is Pachas, which means 50. And with the H, we can write the, ra, ha, the. Dracht, which means tree. With H in the beginning, we could put H and B, and we can put some sound on, and we can do hub or hub, and that means love. So J, Ch, H, and H, beginning, middle, and at the end. And these are the words we can make with J, Ch, H, H in a beginning, middle, or at the end. I hope you liked today's lesson, and I see you in lesson 5 when we are going to look at another family which called dal family, and we're going to see how to write them in a middle, beginning, middle and end. Thank you very much.